everyone, welcome back. And for today's lesson, we're going to learn multiplication with regrouping. Multiplication with regrouping. So before we start our lesson, we're going to learn first the vocabulary. A vocabulary. So we have here 34 times 3 equals 102. So we have here multiplicand again. Multiplicand. So we have here 34 as our multiplicand. When we say multiplicand, is the number being multiplied. Again, let's read multiplicand. Next, we have multiplier again. Multiplier. So we have here number 3 as our multiplier. So when we say multiplier is the number doing the multiplying. Again, let's read multiplier. Next, we have carry over or regroup. Again, let's read carry over or regroup. So we have here number 3 as our carry over or regroup. When we say carry over, the place of value as you add. Again, let's read carry over or regroup. Next we have product. Again, product. So we have here 102 as our product. When we say product, it is the answer. Again, let's read product. Now again, together, let's read our vocabulary. So we have multiplicand, multiplier, carry over or regroup, product. Now let's continue. So we have here some examples. Okay, everybody, let's read multiply 34 by 3 using the place of value table. Again, multiply 34 by 3 using the place of value table. So we have here step 1, multiply the ones by 3. Multiply the ones by 3. So we have here 34 times 3. 34 times 3. So now we're going to multiply first the 4 ones times 3. 4 1 times 3 is equals to 12. So we're going to write the 2 in the ones place, and then we're going to carry over the 1 in the tens place. Now let's continue with step 2. Let's read multiply the tens by 3. Multiply the tens by 3. So now let's continue. We have here 3 tens times 3 is equals to 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So we're going to write a 0 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. So 34 times 3 is equals to 102. Okay, very good. So we have here another examples. Everybody, let's read number 2. Find the product of 28 and 6 by shortcut method. Again, find the product of 28 and 6 by shortcut method. So we have here 28 times 6 is equals to, so step 1, we're going to multiply 8 times 6. So 8 times 6 is equals to 48. So we're going to write 48, 8 in the ones place, and let's carry over 4 in the tens place. Next, step 2, we have here 2 tens times 6. So 2 times 6 is equals to 12. So 12 time plus rather 12 plus 4 is equals to 16. So we're going to write 6 in the tens place and write 1 in the hundreds place. So 28 times 6 is equals to 168. Okay, very good. Now we have here activity time. Now we're going to see if you can know how to multiply numbers using regrouping. Now let's start. Find the product, fill in the boxes again. Let's read. Find the product, fill in the boxes. So, letter A, let's read. Multiply 35 times 8. Again, multiply 35 times 8. So we have here 35 times 8. So what do you think is the answer? Okay, let's answer together. So we have here 5 times 8 is equals to 40. So we're going to write a 0 in the ones place and carry over 4 in the tens place. So next step, let's multiply 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is equals to 24. 24 plus 4 is equals to 28. So we're going to write 8 in the tens place and 2 in the hundreds place. So 35 times 8 is equals to 280. Okay, very good. Next, letter B. Let's read. Multiply 49 times 7. Again, multiply 49 times 7. So we have here 49 times 7. So let's answer. 9 times 7 is equals to 9 times 7 is equals to 63. So we're going to write 3 in the ones place and carry over 6. Next step, we're going to multiply 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is equals to 28. 28 times 6 is equals to 34. So we're going to write 4 in the tens place and 3 in the hundreds place. So 49 times 7 is equals to 343. Okay, very good. Next, letter C. Let's read. Multiply 62 by 6. Again, multiply 62 by 6. So we have here 62 times 6. Now let's answer. So we have here 2 times 6 is equals to 12. So we're going to write 2 in the ones place and carry over 1. Next step, we're going to multiply 6 tenths by 6. So 6 times 6 is equals to 36. And 36 plus 1 is equals to 37. So we're going to write 7 in the tens place and 3 in the hundreds place. So 62 times 6 is equals to 372. Okay, great job everyone. Hope you learned how to multiply, regrouping, and see you again to our next video. Goodbye.